the Logitech G413 SE is a budget-friendly mechanical keyboard designed for gamers seeking essential features without the premium price tag. While it offers a solid build and responsive performance, it lacks some advanced functionalities found in higher-end models. Design and build quality. The G413 SE features a black brushed aluminum magnesium alloy top case, providing a sleek and durable exterior. Its full-size layout includes a numeric keypad, catering to users who require additional keys. The keyboard is compact and lightweight, making it suitable for various setups. Key switches and typing experience. Equipped with Longhua brown switches, the G413 SE offers a tactile typing experience with a discernible actuation point. However, these switches may feel less smooth compared to premium options like Cherry or Gatron switches. The keycaps are made of PBT plastic, known for its durability and resistance to wear. Performance. The keyboard delivers responsive performance with low latency, making it suitable for fast-paced gaming. It supports 6-key rollover and anti-ghosting, ensuring accurate key registration during simultaneous key presses. Lighting and customization. The G413 SE features white LED backlighting, which is bright and easily illuminates keys in dark environments. However, it lacks customizable lighting effects and is not compatible with Logitech's G-Hub software, limiting personalization options. Additional features. The keyboard does not include a USB pass-through port or wrist rest, which could enhance ergonomics and convenience. It also lacks programmable macros, limiting customization for advanced users. Overall, the Logitech G413 SE is a solid choice for gamers seeking a reliable mechanical keyboard at an affordable price. While it lacks some advanced features and customization options, its sturdy build, responsive performance, and durable keycaps make it a worthwhile consideration for budget-conscious users. Thank you so much.